What is pay per lead? Let's suppose you run an advertisement for some affiliate websites. Let's say you have websites carsells.xyz.com. You have advertisements. So you have your website, you have your blog, and then here you have some advertisement from your affiliate that sells car. So Tesla, Toyota. What happens is when users click the link on the website's advertisement, they will go to the website where that car will be sold and they will make the purchase. So here, sell car and purchase happens. So here, the advertisement that you had displayed has generated a lead, but it has not only generated a lead, but it has also ended in selling the product. So you will get some paid commission from the purchase of the car. It could be 4% or 10%. However, if user clicks on the ad, then he goes on the website and he immediately closes the website, then in this case, you will not get paid. So the leads which are only successful, only those cases you will get paid. And that is what is about the paid per lead. It is also termed as pay per lead as PPL. There is another concept, PPV, which is pay per view, which you can see in my another video. Thank you.